I buggered up my signature. I gotta fix that right now. Oh my goodness gracious, oh no. Hey guys, the RAEART show is going to be a little bit different today. As you can see, it's pitch snow out here. The weather outside is frightful.
The ages. To pause and think before petting the pages with words is a sign of the medication breakdown. Learning a mind labelless to them until further research of years, untalented, praiseless, smiling, wily, depressed pill taker, the evil of a psychologist pissing into thought meant held sacred. Accusing me. Can I tear for myself with someone watching and not criticizing? Let us dance for her arms of chance taken with a ghost. No fear to look its eyes.
Thanks for subscribing and staying in touch with me. Follow me along on my journey as I do my painting videos. I got lots more painting videos to come, so stay tuned. Woo! Stage 1 is done.